Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the new QiYi Tornado V2. I'm really excited to review this one, and I hope you guys are too. Roll the intro. Okay, so on the box you have Tornado V2, X-Man design, Tornado V2, the same X-Man design on the back. And here's the cube. It's a bit glossy. Oh man, this looks so premium. Really cool design on the box. Is it on the box? It has the same box as the QiYi Volk Elite. So I really like this box. It has a quite heavy feeling to it. First of all, this cube is a bit drenched in lube, so let me wipe this off first. And I must say, it is really lightweight. Okay, so I wiped it off, and yeah, the cube itself has a semi-matte finish, which I really like. It seems to have the look like a GAN cube. I would say the GAN 356M, it looks like that. The logo is, wait a minute. This logo is crooked. Oh man, why did they do that? Does it seem crooked? It is. Oh man, and it's printed on. Okay, so first turns. Okay, so it has, yeah, like I said, it looks like a 356. It looks like a GAN 356M, and to me, it feels a bit like it. Quite nice plush feeling. Very smooth out of the box. Let's check corner cutting. Not that great, but the 356 in the beginning out of the box didn't do great either. So I'm guessing I'll have to mess with the tensions a bit. The magnets out of the box are a bit to the heavy side, but I kind of like it. I know I said in previous videos that I like lighter magnets, but in this case, I kind of like it. Very fast out of the box as well. A bit uncontrollable, but that's just me. I'm going to get used to it and play with the tensions a bit, and even maybe lube it to slow it a bit down. Here you see the customizable magnets. Right now it's in the middle setting by the look of it. I quite like the look of the yellow magnet and the black internals. It looks very premium. Let's check what's underneath the center cap. Did I do reverse corner cutting? Oh man. Reverse corner cutting. Just over half. Yeah. And then regular. Not that great, but it could be with the tensions right now. Whew. Yeah, that's a really deep center cap. Oh Oh man, and by the look of it, it has color grading, so I'm going to have to check the instruction pamphlet. Right now it's on yellow, and this says it's on 3. Is it riveted? It doesn't have a screw. What? This means you only have the settings they put into it. But I'm guessing there will be a lot of settings, so yeah, it's going to be okay. But yeah, hey, that's a first for cubing. It's a rivet and not a screw. Man, this is exciting. So yeah, this is what the inside looks like. It looks very cool to me with the yellow magnets, like I said. This is a detail of the corner. It has a very interesting loop track design. I really like it. It's like a vortex kind of thing. Yeah, I didn't notice, but the magnet has a yellow edge and the magnet itself is red. So yeah, very cool design. The edge piece looks a bit, blocky. But by the feel of it and the first turns I did, the blockiness isn't the case. It flows well. This is how the pieces fit together. You have a credit card kind of thing. Yeah. X-Man design. A cloth. This was also with the Valk 3, I remembered. And oh yeah, it's with, I don't know if you'll see it on camera, but it's with the X-Man design logo. Now you'll see it. Pamphlet with CFOP, pamphlet with the instructions how to tension and alter the magnets of the cube. It also has an English version. Oh, a very cool bag. It's like synthetic leather. Yeah. Screwdriver. And it clicks a bit. Can it open? Oh yeah. Oh man. This is magnetized. So you have different tools to put on this one, and the tools are magnetized in the cap. Oh, that's very cool. You have a Phillips head, a flat head, and then a tool to adjust the tensions, I'm assuming. And this is another Phillips head, so really weird. Yep. So to summarize this cube, as a first impressions, this cube feels and looks like a GAN 356M. Corner cutting isn't that great out of the box, but it's on the middle tensions right now, and the magnets are also in the medium setting, but it's already, very noticeable for me. I quite like the feel of this cube. It has a very plush feel, but as for now, I'm getting a few catches out of the box, but hey, that's normal. Everything is on the middle setting, so I read somewhere that with all these customization options, you have 125 different options to tension and magnetize this cube, so this is very intimidating, but I'll give it a go and take a look at all the options and test out what feels good for me and what doesn't. It doesn't have screws, so I'm hoping this isn't going to come off easily. But I'm guessing R&D will have tested this out plenty of times. Okay, this was it for the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to buy this cube, I'll put a link in the description where you can buy it. You can buy it at I also have an Instagram page, so if you want, you can go give it a follow. Link will be in the description as well. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.